Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. This is part 2 to put a realistic looking baseball to be printed on a t-shirt or something using a clip art of a baseball that really more like a picture. It's got some watermarks on it, so we're going to remove those. I'm going to hit the plus key and I'm going to make a duplicate. Then I'm going to do a outline trace clip art on this. And it traces it pretty good, but it's got a bunch of garbage in it. But I'm going to show you how to get rid of that garbage. And I am going to take this one and nudge it over again, and then take my new version and do that right there. Now I need to get the shape of the baseball. So I'm going to take a rectangle, just like I did in the previous video. And I'm going to fill that in with the blue and nudge it over. And that's actually going to be our intersect tool. And you can see it's a little bit rough. I thought it was rough, but that's the stitches of the baseball. So it's going to make it look real. Now what we can do, we get rid of our box. And this is our trace version, so we need to go to Object or Group and ungroup it. And then just start deleting this white. Whoop, I must not have ungrouped it. And now I can just get rid of all this garbage. There'll be a little bit of garbage, differential colors in the stitching, like there's part of a watermark left. I could probably get rid of my yellow background now, and it might be a little bit easier, but let's just get rid of some of this gray matter where it just didn't trace quite real well. You need to get all of it so it'll look good. Check one more to place. There's one more right there. Now I would group these together, Control G. And if you remember our baseball, we're going to bring it down and turn it white. Go up to Object, Order, Backup Page. And now I'm going to get rid of my yellow box. And that actually is a white ball. Let me tell you what, let's do this. Let's turn that to blue. Take Order, back a page, and you've got a white baseball. Now we need to group all that together, Control G, and that'll look good in our graphic. So now I need to kind of move it around and put it in more or less the center. And we're just happen to be in the right order of back and front. And then you could make it whatever size you like, and it really looks like a real baseball inside of a box. And like I said, you can make the lines, you know, black, red, and you wouldn't want to make them red, but maybe white looks the most. Or if you just want to blend it in, you could just make them blue. But if that way, it really does, to me, it doesn't look like a box because this has the white on the other background. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. I do like the black. Let's turn this black. There we go. Gives it a really distinct look. And then make let's do that just like I did here. Let's make the outline blue. And it really makes it stand out. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.